guys, L'Oreal here, and today, you'll never believe it, guess what? It was my birthday, of course, and you know what I got as a present? I got a new computer! Yay! Okay, so guys, on my birthday, I got a new computer, and I'm really excited. Oh my god, yay, this is exciting. Look how excited my lion is. Wow. Look at his eyes. Also, you know what? You know why? What? You know why I can't speak? Cause you know how there's a new pet that was released in the last update. Also, I'm really sorry that I had no mic in my last update. Unless you hate my voice, that's totally understandable, though. Alright. So I'm just gonna come on, scroll down. Oh my god. New computer. I just got you. Why are you slow? Okay, I'm kidding. I love you, computer. Mwah. I'm going to name my computer computer. Look at it, guys. Look at it. His name is Toy Lemon. He's my lizard pet. Look at him. It's called a frilled lizard, and I love it so much. It is so beautiful, and I love it. So this is basically a test for Screencast-O-Matic to see if it is working. Also, is this reset button new? I don't even know. Anywho, if that is new, good job, Animal Jam. Oh my god, look at that! So cute! Oh my god, I want the wizard hat. Wait, I have to see other things. So basically, this is like a test to see if this works. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Okay, this is a test to see if everything is working alright, if this gets uploaded. Hopefully, I hope it does get uploaded. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I love my frilled lizard named Toy Lemon. Wow. And guys, I hope this has been uploaded. I hope that everything is a-okay. But yeah, of course, looks beautiful. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini 2-minute long video. And how do you think about these really cute lizards? Like, wait, let's see what they do. It's just so adorable. Okay, let's do the dance animation and see what it does. Ooh, yeah. Look at him jumping around. He's so majestic. Ooh, what's he gonna do? Oh my god, he just laid an egg. She just laid an egg, actually. So cute. Wait, do a little jump and then do a little sleep. Oh, look at it. So adorable. And then it sits. Adorable. Love him. I wonder what I'll get with my other, I don't even know, 4 other eggs? No, 3 other, I don't even know. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you latte. Goodbye.